right. What you're looking at here is a Montgomery Ward table fan. I believe it's 8 inches and it's most likely from the 1950s to 1960s. Now I don't know much history about this fan, to be completely honest, but these were sold at Montgomery Ward stores back around that time. And here's some information on the tag that's on the motor, and if it has a oil quart, put oil if it needs oil. And I'd say most likely does need oil. And the thing about it, when it runs, it's only one speed. It just plugs in and it turns on. But it also rattles. It rattles if it gets to a certain speed, or certain when it rattles when it gets to full speed. But that's why I kind of have to position it more upwards so it doesn't rattle as much. Because if I do it like this, it's going to rattle. So, and I don't really do many videos on my table fans slash desk fans, or, not ceiling fans, but probably going to start doing more of those soon. Because I have a pretty small collection of like table fans, but I haven't made videos of them. So without further ado, let's give this fan a demo. Yep, it's rattling. Yeah, that's enough. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.